In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to insert, update, delete records using a store procedure in Microsoft SQL Server. So at here, I'm using the table EMP and this is the record inside EMP table. So this table, I'm going to do some update, insert, delete or records by using a store procedure. So first I'm going to create one store procedure. So at here, create procedure. So about the store procedure, I already discussed. I made so many videos, so please watch my previous videos to make this concept more clear. So at here, create procedure EMP insert and here update and next going to do delete. So this is the name that I'm creating of a store procedure EMP insert, update and delete. Now here after, so there are five columns add here. So first I'm going to create the columns. So first parameter add here id. So this should be integer type and here after next is at the rate ename. Ename. So that should be varchar and giving the size 10 and here after name here after email. So at the rate email email. So that should be varchar. So giving the size at here 20 and hereafter at the rate next is sal and here that should be decimal type decimal and here give the size so first 10 and 2 precision and hereafter the next is for city and that should be varchar or let's use this time in varchar and here given the size 30. Okay, and hereafter let's use at the rate. So this time creating one stmnt and here that should be in varchar. So add here the size should be 20 and here initializing with single quote and here single quote. Now here after close by bracket here let's use as next begin here after if. So if statement at the rate and you're going to use stmnt. So stmnt equal to first option if that match with insert. Okay, insert. So let's use add here begin and here going to use insert statement insert into emp and here going to insert the on. So first is id column, next is ename here after email and here email next is sal here after city. So if that match with insert, so going to insert the value in id email ename email sal and city. Hereafter let's use values and here so at the rate, so id value here after at the rate ename here after at the rate email next at the rate sal, and here after at the rate city. Now let's use int. So insert part has been over. Now let's use next time if statement, and here at the rate stmnt. Stmnt equal to single quote. So if that match with or select, so at here begin, and here let's use select a star from emp, and here let's use int. Now next part is for so update. So let's or do some here. Going to copy this one and paste it down. So at here next part is for update. So going to write at here update. So begin here in place of insert. Going to do the modification. So add here update, and here emp, and here going to set the value with, going to set the value at here at the rate email equal to at the rate email, and hereafter one more thing, at the rate ename equal to ename. So ename equal to ename. Now here let's give comma, and here email equal to email, comma. Next part is for at sal equal to at the rate sal, and here city equal to at the rate city, and hereafter going to use where id equal to at the rate id. So if the id values match, then that will do the update, and hereafter going to use int. Now the next part is for or direct. So here if now here going to use as if stmnt, and here going to use in single quote if the match with delete. So at here let's use begin, and here going to use delete from emp, and here where id equal to at the rate id. Now here after going to use int and one more int. So this is the query to do insert, update and delete in a table by using a store procedure. So going to create the store procedure. So let's select from here. So there are only two int required. So at command completed successfully and a store procedure created successfully. So here let's select this folder and refresh that. So here the stored procedure with emp insert update delete it's created. Now the next is here. So first I'm going to copy this table, select a star from here and paste it down. So select, so this is the record inside emp table. Now here after to execute the store procedure, right click here after execute procedure. So at here first I'm going to do some insert the record inside emp table. So id, so that must be unique because id at here that is primary key. So at here going to give the id 129. Ename at here giving Sammy and here giving the email gmail.com and here salary 5632 city Delhi and here this should be applied for insert. Now if you click on OK, so see at here you get to this message returned here. This is the query use Adam or declare return and here this is the query. So ID 129 here. This all those things it's a app here. Now let's cancel that one. Now here after let's use execute this query. So see at here the ID 129 Sammy as at Gmail 5632 and Delhi one row inserted. So this is the way we can insert. Now here after going to do some update. So select a star form. So for update here right click and here after execute a store procedure. So going to do the update. So when the ID value is 129. So give any value ID value. So let's select at here 117 and you're changing the name. So name at here going to change team to teamy and here uh, the Gmail I'm not going to change. So t@gmail.com and here going to change the Saturday triple 6 4 times and your city is Pune. So here going to give the city at here California and here this should be for update. So let's write update. Now if you click on OK, so see at here this is it's returning. So at here you get the message TME. This is a new value. This all are new values here, and this is for applied for update. Now here after let's execute that. So see at here the name that changed one ID 117 at here TME T at the rate here. This is the salary and here this is the address. So this is the way we can update. Now next part is to delete the records. So at here right click here after execute a store procedure and here going to delete the records 116. Okay, so let's give the value for ID 116 and here the next part is for at here 116 the name is Nathan and here Nathan here after n gmail.com here the side is 3000 and here the city is California and here this should be for delete. Now click on OK. So return 10 this value. So insert update here you can find stmnt is the value delete. Now execute this emp. So here 116 is there. Now let's execute. So see at here 116 is deleted from emp table. So this is the way we can delete, insert and update the record. So if you want to update, delete, and insert by query. So you just write at here execute, and hereafter give the store procedure name. So store procedure name, add here emp insert update and delete. So insert update and delete is the store procedure name, and you're going to do some modification on 117. So 117, and hereafter the name is Timmy is the name, and here the email address tab in, and sorry, tgmail.com, and here after the next part is the Saturday part, trip 4 times 6, and here the add city is the California. So California. Now here after, so this I'm going to do for delete. Okay, so just write at here delete. So here 117 going to delete from here. Now execute this query. So one row affected, 117 successfully deleted. So see at here 117 successfully deleted. Now if you want to do some insert, so you can also do that. Now let's use at here insert, and here execute this query. So one row affected, so 117 inserted. Now here after going to do the update. So at here update, so going to do update on the city. So at here giving the city new city name of Morocco. Now execute. So see at here one rows affected, and here the Timi city has been changed, new city Morocco. So this is the way we can insert, update, delete by query, and here or you can use direct to right click here after execute store procedure, and here you can give the value, and here this is the query. So here, so create procedure, this is the store procedure name, and here this is the ID, and here data integer. So here ename, here email, and here OSAM city. So this all are parameter, and here as begin. So if I did not initialize, add a blank initialize with stment. So if the stment value match with insert, okay, so add here begin. So this query gonna execute, come into the picture. So emp id email. So whatever the value of id email. So whatever the value add here inserted. So this will go to at this point. Now hereafter select a statement. So it will select all the records from emp. Hereafter update. So if any changes find, so except you no need to do any changes on id because it's for condition. So if any changes find from the ename email sal, so this will go according to the value. So ename go to the ename, at that email go to email, at that sal go to sal. If id value match then, and here for delete as a part. So if this part if insert is matched, so this will do this operation. If select will comes, so this will do this operation, and here if update, so here, so if that match with delete, so that comes here. So delete from the table where id at the id. So if the id value is matched, then that delete. So this is the query to insert, update, delete records from the table by using a store procedure. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.